Hi students, welcome to online class. In this video we are going to discuss about the chapter 12 structured query language. So in the previous video we have discussed about the where class, and then we have discussed about the between keyword, not between keyword, in keyword, not in keyword, and then null keyword, and then is null keyword, and then is not null keyword. So we have discussed about the keywords. Now we are going to discuss about the classes. So now in this video we are going to discuss about the order by class. In this video we are going to discuss about the order by class. So what is mean by order by class? See, the order by class in SQL is used to sort the data. So we are going to sort the data. Sorting in the sense we can arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. See, we can arrange one or more columns either in ascending order or descending order. So that is what here we are going to do using the order by class. See here, the order by class in SQL is used to sort the data in either ascending order or descending order based on one or more columns. So based on the condition whatever we are specifying, ascending order or descending order, so based on that it will arrange either one column or one or more columns. And then by default order by class sorts the data in ascending order. So what is the default sorting means? Ascending order is the default sorting method. Ascending order is the default sorting option available in SQL. So whenever we want to specify, whenever we want to do descending order, we want to specify DESC. So DESC, we can use the keyword DESC to sort the data in descending order. And then what is the keyword for ascending order? ASC. ASC. So that is the keyword which is used for ascending order. See, sometimes if you are not specifying the keyword, it arrange the data in ascending order. So that is the default order. See here, whenever we want to arrange the data in ascending order, we can specify ASC. ASC means ascending order. But if you are not specifying also, it arrange the data, it arrange the records in ascending order, because by default ascending order is the order which is ordered by the SQL, which is arranged by the, which is sorted out by the SQL. But whenever you want to arrange in descending order, we want to specify the keyword compulsorily, DESC. Descending order we want to specify it. Can you understand, students? Order by means it is used to sort the data. Order by class in SQL is used to sort the data either in ascending order or descending order. So what is the default order? Ascending order is by default. Then what is the keyword for ascending? ASC. Then what is the keyword for descending order? DESC. DESC. So let us see the syntax. From the syntax you can understand that how to arrange, how to order. So select the column names. So whatever the column you want to select, you can select. So from table name. So select column name from table name. Order by. So which column you want to order? Each column you want to order by. So order by the column name, and then you can specify ascending order or descending order. So that can be specified. Ascending order means ASC, descending order means DESC. Can you understand, students? Right, let us take the example to display the students in alphabetical order of their names. So based on their names I am going to arrange in alphabetical order. So how to arrange the student names in alphabetical order? See the example. Select star from student. Star in the sense select all the rows from the student table. Select all the rows from the student table. Order by name. So how we are going to arrange? We are going to arrange by name. So order by name. So here we have not yet specified ascending order or descending order. So ASE is not specified. So whenever it is not specified, whenever DESE is also not specified, in which order it will sort the data? In which order it will sort the data? By default, ascending order is by default. So ascending order it arranges. See here, we can see that the above table is arranged as follows. So how it is arranged? See here, the students' names are arranged. Abhinand, others, Akshit, then Akshit, Ashish, Ayush, Devika, Hema, Revati. So by name it was arranged, it is arranged in an alphabetical order. By seeing the admission number itself we can understand. The admission number is not arranged in alphabetical order, so the name is arranged in alphabetical order. Can you understand, students? Ascending order is not specified, but it is arranged in ascending order. How? Because by default ascending order is the order which is by default, right? The order by class does not affect the original table. So whenever it is sorted out, whenever the data is arranged in ascending order or descending order, the original table is not affected. Whenever we arrange the data, rearrange the data, the original table is not affected. So that is what you want to understand. It's a main key point, right? Next, we are going to discuss about the where class. So already we discussed some examples about the where class. So in the where class we can specify the condition. In the where class we can specify the condition. So based on the condition, the records which are satisfying the condition, those records will be displayed as a output. So the records which are not satisfying the condition, those records will not be displayed as a output. See here, the where class is used to filter out the records. The where class is used to filter the records. It helps to extract only those records which satisfy a given condition. So it is going to extract, it is going to take only the records which is satisfying the given condition. So whatever the condition we are specifying, so the condition, whenever the records satisfy the condition, those records will be displayed. Other records are not displayed. Now let us take the student table. So here 8 records are here. So this is the original table, right? So when we go for the condition, let us take 1 or 2 examples. For example, in the student table, to display the students of age 18. So what we are going to display? We are going to display the students of age 18 and above. So the age should be greater than or equal to 18. Greater than or equal to 18. Not less than or equal to 18. Greater than or equal to 18. So 18 and above 18 will be displayed. And in and above in alphabetical order of their names. So we have specified 2 things. We are going to arrange the data in alphabetical manner. At the same time, we are going to display the student's age whose age is above 18. So we are not going to consider below 18, above 18, as well as the names should be in alphabetical order. The names should be in alphabetical order. Let us see the command select star from student. So select all the records from student table where age is greater than or equal to 18, then order by name. So we have selected the condition greater than, age should be greater than or equal to 18. So the condition is specified there. And then we are arranging the records by name. So here also we have not yet specified ascending order or descending order. So now what will happen? So the names are arranged in alphabetical order. Why? Because ascending order is the default one. So the names will be arranged in ascending order. So see here, first 104 Abhinand, then Adarsh, then Ayush, then Devika, then Revati. So why only 5 records are displayed? What about the other 3 records? 100, 102 and 107. Those records are not satisfying the condition greater than or equal to 18. greater than or equal to 18. Those records are not satisfying the condition. And at the same time, now you can see the names are arranged. How the names are arranged? The names are arranged in alphabetical order. Abhinand, Adarsh, Ayush, Devika, and then Revati. Can you understand, students? Select star from student where age is greater than or equal to 18, order by name. Right, now let us see then another example. We can go for descending order. So to display the list of students in descending order, of the names of the students of age 18 and above. So we are going to have the same condition. The age should be greater than or equal to 18. But we are going to arrange the name in descending order. So instead of specifying just order by name, you want to specify order by name DESC. So in the previous example, we left out order by name alone. We have not yet specified any order, ascending order or descending order, we have not yet specified. But now we want to specify DESC. Why? Because we are going to display the details of the students in descending order. So select star from student where age is greater than or equal to 18, order by name DESC. Now you can see the same table is displayed, but the names are arranged in descending order. So first now Revati name is printed, then Devika, then Ayush, then Adarsh, then Abhinand. But see the condition, what is the condition they have specified? Where age is greater than or equal to 18. So now you can see all the students' age are above 18 or equal to 18. Can you see that? Right. So sorting can be done on multiple fields. That is another thing. That is another key point. So you can do sorting on more than one columns. Sorting can be done on more than one columns. Right. I think you might have understood this video. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.